Welcome to Modular Hippo, the channel where I'm trying to build a 36-foot aluminium sailboat in my backyard. This short video is more of a question. I've come to a point where I have too many projects within the project lying around unfinished, and it is causing mental strain. So I just want to switch my brain off, and I want to reach out to you guys to let me know which of these 6 unfinished projects you want me to focus on 100% to finish off before I move on to something else. So please have a look at those 6 and let me know what you think, and we can take it from there. Thanks. I have numbered the 6 from 1 to 6 to make it easy for you to stick the one that you think I should start with in the comment. So as always, appreciate your feedback. Let's take a look at them. We have the actual motor housing and motor setup that needs to be finalized as well. Right now, this shaft is not perfectly aligned between the 2 bearings. So I would have to take it all apart and make sure that those are aligned, because right now there's a little bit of pressure on here and I don't like it. So that needs to be fixed, as well as I need to start to work on the actual cooling of the motor controllers and the motors themselves. So I've started it, but there's plenty of work to do here. So that is another contender as well. Another thing that needs to be done is to finalize the lead casting for the keel itself. So that's run into a stop. So what I will need to do is kind of prop this one up with some breeze blocks to make sure that it doesn't keel over when I have 300 kilos of lead in it, because right now those legs are a little bit too weak. And then probably get another Bunsen burner and then make sure that everything is aligned with the sandbox, and then start to cast the lead that's needed. So that's one thing that could be a primary focus. We have the battery packs, where I currently have batteries in one of the boxes. The other one is just an empty box. I need to replace the BMS in all of these. I got the new BMS. I need to also kind of marine protect those circuit boards with some spray that I have, as well as doing some other modifications, as well as build the actual boxes and design those and laser print them and weld them. Another thing is to finalize the setup of this tubular tube bender, so I can do all the railing and all the other stuff that is tube related on the boat. So that's run on to a halt as well. So it shouldn't take too much to clean this up, make sure that it's set up and start to test bend. But once again, I need probably a push to finalize this. We also have the 200 amp Dali packs made out of 18650 batteries. So I am probably 80% there. I just need to start putting the packs together, connect it up and configure the BMS, and then connect them in parallel to see if it gives me as much power as I'd hope. So it's all built out of recycled laptop batteries. So it will require a little bit of work, but it's almost there. So that's another one that I need to finalize. So also that is a good contender. Another thing on my mind is that when the keel is mounted to the keel box and it's in its upright resting position, it's not perfectly straight and aligned against the center, so it's kind of leaning a couple of centimeters more in one direction than the other. So I've spoken to some engineers, and they say that in terms of alignment, the most important thing is that it's aligned obviously when it's down in the water, but even though it's a couple of centimeters off, it doesn't really matter, because when the boat is in choppy waters and it's on an angle, it doesn't really make much difference. Whatever extra input you have to do with your tiller will just offset that. So I don't know, personally I like things to be straight, but it's something that is on my mind, so I might have to do some drastical changes to the existing setup to get it straight. It might be an easy solution, but it's definitely up there as something that is unfinished for me, so it will be a contender of those unfinished points. As always, thank you for watching, and if you haven't seen this channel before, feel free to subscribe if you want to see some more. A quick recap: so the 6 different outstanding points that is literally just lying in the back of my head that I need to start looking at is the tube bending, it's the lead casting, it's the motor build and the motor setup, as well as the battery pack, the primary one, which is the Seplos one, where I have some work left to do. I also have the secondary battery pack, which is the one with the 18650 batteries. And the last one is the keel is not perfectly aligned with the keel box. So that's something on my mind as well. So if you please can stick any of those 6 as your primary focus that you want to see a finish off in the comments, then that will help me to pick the one I should focus on. Until next time, have a great week and I'll see you soon.